What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be taking you through a photo shoot that I did a few months back with my crew. So the idea behind this shoot was for Kira to wear an Indian inspired headdress, and then we would use fire as the light source. And so I would be taking some long exposure shots to try and get the flame and everything all together in the picture nice and get some motion blur in there, and just have some really cool pictures for the outcome. Second was also just to take some really great shots of Kira in this headdress that she had, I think she made it herself, I'm not really too sure, or she bought it and put it together. She done all the makeup herself and everything like that, so it was really cool to film everything behind the scenes as well, and that's something that we can show you guys now today. Today we're going to take some photos of Kira in an Indian headdress and try and recreate some photos that we've seen on Instagram. Should be fun, and we're going to play with some fire.
Over.
Probably come a little bit more forward. Yeah. Oh, I have to go a lot less actually. Oh, it's whiskey.
Maybe hold the flame a little bit lower.
Yeah.
But so a
really
small turning around. This looks dope.
Okay, ready? Stay still. Ja. Ja, just zusammen ein bisschen.
Okay, fangen wir bei dir. Fangen wir gleich hier mal so.
Genau. Don't you move. A little bit higher. Yeah. So with us on the shoot we had my buddy Yarvin. He was there to film the behind the scenes and also get some of the main shots and that, so for like the intro sequence and stuff. And just some cinematic type shots and that. We had my buddy Sven there. He was there for also behind the scenes using the GoPro. But he also wanted to take some photos because he wanted to practice, so it was kind of cool, so that we can get someone else's point of view or perspectives for the shoot. And he came up with some really cool ideas, so that helped a lot. And you know, more minds are better than one. That's why having a crew is a whole lot better than doing solo type stuff. This is my custom made behind the scenes guy stick. Whoever's my BTS guy. And last but not least we had Julian there, who was my fire/light guy. Now, I love this guy on all the sets, he's really cool, always does his job to the T. Honestly, he's the best guy in the business for this type of things. So yeah, that's all the crew there. I will drop all their tags down in the description below so you can go and check them out. So with all that out of the way, let's see how the shoot unfolded. Fire guy. Yeah. Hey man, no pausa bro, time pausa. We out here making money.
How much did you pay him?
How many beers you had? We feel beer drinking. One more. That's his payment. Yeah. A little bit higher, bro. Yeah, right there.
Beer from his own fridge.
You gotta work for it. Okay, I want to try some hand movements from you. Very cool.
Why did you switch your lens?
What?
Yeah.
Because this one has a lower aperture.
Alright.
So at night time it's better.
Wie wenn du ein Bier-Action willst.
Hold it like this. Ein bisschen elegant, yeah, you know, like that. Like that's the guard in there. Like for real, that's how.
Oh shit, that looks so crazy. That looks so dope.
So this was the best shot that I got for the night. We went off an idea that we had on Instagram and I modified it a little bit different, but this was the outcome and I'm really happy with it. So the rest of the shots I'll show at the end of the video. We didn't get that many, but the overall process was the fun part. It was all about learning and everything like that, so it was just a great shoot all around. There you go, boys. Okay, hold still.
gangster. Fuck, there we go.
Hey.
Yep. Hey man, how you doing?
Hey. How you doing?
Welcome to the party.
Welcome to Jackass.
About to burn some motherfuckers down. All right,
Okay, go on the light, Knudsen, and tell the people what's going on right now.
Okay, you come. Yeah.
Yep.
Sit. Sit. Okay. And then I'm gonna have someone behind her doing this with the fire, so that they're not in the picture and they're just moving it around behind her. So it looks like her aura, like her fire aura type thing, and it should work. Yeah. Genau. Okay, yep. Keep going, keep going. Yep. Yep. So that's it, guys. The shoot's a wrap, and overall it was a very fun process, and I enjoyed working with my crew on this. I learned a lot about lighting and my camera settings and shooting in general. So hope you guys found this informative, and if you did, smash that like button for me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Nelson Buchanan, and I'll see you on the next one. And you haven't.
Yeah. I was waiting for it.
Oh, damn. What? My stupid 10 seconds is still in. Amateur. Yeah, fuck that flame off.
Yeah.
We'll do both hands. Huh? Light go. This way, bro. Yep, check. Just lighting the background up. You want to see that tree?